The central government has taken various measures to contain the spread of COVID-19. It has also tried to mitigate the social and economic impact of the pandemic by including a series of economic stimulus packages. The government has not only provided social protection to the vulnerable, but has also pushed forward the major economic reforms for the welfare of citizens. To provide a modern and seamless experience to taxpayers, the Income Tax Department is going to launch its new e-filing portal, www.incometax.gov.in. This portal will be set in motion on 7th June 2021. It is an initiative by the Central Board of Direct Taxes for providing ease of compliance to the taxpayers and stakeholders. Now let's get to know about the significance of this new taxpayer-friendly portal. To issue quick refunds to taxpayers, this new portal is integrated with the immediate processing of income tax returns. Now, the taxpayer doesn't have to switch between multiple dashboards because this new web portal offers all interactions, uploads, and pending actions on a single dashboard, which ameliorates follow-up action by the taxpayer. To make the tax-paying process conducive for people, the portal is equipped with ITR preparation software comprising interactive questions to help taxpayers file ITR even without any tax knowledge. To minimize the data entry effort, the software entails information regarding pre-filing and is also available in both online and offline mode. For immediate answers to taxpayer queries, a new call center with informative FAQs, tutorials, videos and chat box live agent is also being made available. Besides, all key functions of the portal will be available on a mobile app. For easy payment of taxes, the online tax payment system on the new portal will be enabled with multiple new payment options using net banking, UPI, credit card, and RTGS or NEFT from any account of the taxpayer in any bank. It is worth noting that in preparation for this launch, the existing portal of the department would not be available for taxpayers as well as for other stakeholders from 1st June 2021 to 6th June 2021. To avoid any inconvenience, the department has also decided not to fix any compliance dates during this period. Moreover, directions have been issued to fix hearing of cases or compliance only from 10th June 2021 onwards so that the taxpayers get time to respond to the new system. Any hearing or compliance scheduled during this period will be preponed or adjourned, and the work process would be rescheduled later. The department has also intimated external entities and banks about the non-availability of the services. They are also requested to apprise their customers so that the relevant activities could be conducted before the blackout period. Taxpayers are also encouraged to complete their urgent task before 1st June 2021. The department has also requested the taxpayers and external stakeholders to be patient during the switchover to the new e-filing portal and get familiarized with the new system to facilitate and ensure ease of doing business in these unprecedented times. The Ministry of Finance has also extended time limits of certain compliances. The decision is taken to grant major relief to taxpayers facing hardship during the COVID-19 pandemic. All segments of the financial market are being carefully reviewed and are also being followed by significant actions. The central government has always taken responsive measures to reduce the hardships and enhance the economic and social security of its citizens. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.